Let's learn about colors. Are you ready, kids? Let's go!
You're watching Teacher T Kids English TV.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, black, gray, white. Let's review. Are you ready? Let's go! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, black, grey, white. Well done, kids! Here's a colored badge for you. I am so proud of you. Hey kids, are you a Roblox fan? Then sign up for our August Speaking Club. It's a Roblox Girls Summer where we're going to be learning and speaking, having lots of fun using Roblox with Luna, the Roblox superstar. I can't wait to see you there. Bye bye.